How to use Revolut when traveling. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Revolut when you are traveling. So in order to use Revolut while traveling, you need to have a travel debit card. So as we all know that Revolut is a financial services app that provides a range of international financial services including travel debit card, currency exchange and peer-to-peer payments. It is the best feature for frequent travelers in the multi-currency account feature that allows you to hold, transfer and exchange money in over 30 foreign countries. These intra-account transfers are made at the mid-market real exchange rate. So instead you will pay in industry low fixed fee at around 0.4% depending on your membership plan. Once you are holding a local currency of your travel destination, you will be spending abroad like a local. However, it is worth noting that fair use limits and weekend surcharges may apply. So this is basically how you can use Revolut while traveling by holding a travel debit card. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.